Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, JBTeguihanon, your engineering and chemistry tutorial. So today we're going to go to our topic for organic chemistry, and I will write down the covalent covalences of H and second period element in group 2 through group 7. So suppose we have a group, okay, you have group 1. Then in group 1 you have a Lewis structure or Lewis symbol. Okay, symbol. And it's gonna be like a table type. Then you have the group 2 here. You have a hydrogen or H. The Lewis symbol for H is H with one dot. And then in group 2 you will have a BE, and the symbol or Lewis symbol dot here and another dot here. And then in group 3 you will have a B or boron, which is symbol B. Then you will have Lewis structure with one dot here, one dot there, one dot over there. And then in group 4 you will have a C with a Lewis symbol of dot, 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 dot. And then in group 5 you will have a N, nitrogen, with a symbol, Lewis symbol, two dot at top, one dot here, one dot there, and down here. And then in group 6 you will have oxygen or O with a dot Lewis symbol here and here and here and here. This is one dot, no, total 6. And then in group 7 you will have a F with a Lewis symbol of two dots at top, two dots at the bottom, two dots at the right or in front side, and one dot behind. So this is the Lewis symbol for hydrogen, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitro, and oxygen, and F. Okay. Now, what's the covalent number for this? Okay, you will have the covalence. So in here you have 1, then in here you have 2, you have 3, at group 3 you have 4 covalence, and in here in group 5 you will have 4, so you not 3. And then in group 6 you will have 2, and in group 7 you will have 1. These are the covalences. And then you're gonna have what you will have a compounds with H, compounds with H. Okay. And it's gonna be like this. H. This is hydrogen. Hydrogen, right? Hydrogen. And then you will have here the H. For the beryllium, you will have, I write it down here because we don't have space, right? So I write down here, you have H, then you will have Be, and then H here, compounds with H. This is for beryllium. Okay, for the boron, suppose I'm going to take the space here. Sorry, this space I'm going to collect for the boron. This is for the boron. For the boron, you will have H, then B, and then H, then down here is H. That is for the boron because you have 3 valence, right? And then for the carbon, compounds with carbon, this structure is like, we go to the next page. For the carbon, okay, you have the number in group 4 and the covalence is 4. Then for the structure or Lewis symbol, which is carbon, you will have 1 dot, 1 dot, 1 dot, 4. And that is actually covalence is number 4. Then the structure would be like this. Carbon, you have a single bond to hydrogen, this side, hydrogen here, and 1 hydrogen on top. So that is actually 4 covalence, right? You have 4 covalence. Right. Now for the nitrogen, you have this Lewis symbol, 2 here, 1, 1, 1. This is in group number 5, but the covalence is only 3. So the structure would be like this. Nitro, you will have your Lewis number here or symbol. Then you will have hydrogen here, single bond of hydrogen, single bond of hydrogen, right? And this is actually the 3 is the number of, or the covalence. Okay, and this is actually called ammonia. Ammonia. Sorry. Ammonia. Okay, this guy here is ammonia. And this one is actually, if I forget, is methane. Right? This is methane. Yeah, this guy. Okay, let's move to the next slide. So for the oxygen, right? O, you have equivalence symbol, sorry, Lewis symbol, which is like this, and then one dot here, one dot there. So the compound with H is actually like this: oxygen. You will have a lone pair at the top, or Lewis symbol, and then single bond to hydrogen, single bond to hydrogen here, and this, of course, we call this water, right? We call it H2 or water. And the valence is actually, the covalence is 2. This is the covalence. Covalence. For the last one, the F. The F is Lewis symbol. You have this is in group 7, but the valence is, the covalence is only 1. So the when you draw the structure, compounds with H or with hydrogen, it's gonna be like this. So F is Toulon. You have one hydrogen here on the left side. Okay, because the valence here is 1. Sorry, the covalence is 1. Okay, and this guy is what we call hydrogen fluoride. Hydrogen fluoride. Fluoride. Okay, so this is the actually the covalences of its the second period elements in group 2 through 7 in the periodic table. Okay, so going back, so I have drawn here the group number. So here I have group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, that is the group. And then we have the Lewis symbol for hydrogen. The symbol is with one dot. Then we have the symbol for beryllium, Lewis symbol. We have the symbol for boron. We have the symbol for, of course, carbon, nitrogen, and then oxygen and uh, fluorine. And then we have the covalences number. Okay. And then we have drawn the uh, what is the compounds with hydrogen. How do it looks like and what is the symbol. So of course this is hydrogen. Okay. H have a attached to another H. And then we have here the beryllium. This is actually beryllium hydride, this one. And then we have here the boron. And this is actually the boron hydride. Okay. And then we had jumped to the next slide and uh, drawn the Lewis symbol again. Then we drew the chemical structure, methane. We have the covalence number here. Then we have the Lewis number for nitrogen. And then the chemical structure with the compound H, which is actually ammonia, with the covalence of number 3. And then we come up here with oxygen, Lewis symbol. And then we have here the chemical structure of water. And then we have the covalences number. And we go for the hydrogen fluoride with a F. And then we have drawn the structure. And then we have the covalence number here. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel, JBTeguihanon Engineering and Chemistry Tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.